for us now on Capital from Andy and Joel and Ryan and Adam, and that's all of them, isn't it? Those four boys are boy band Lawson. Cannot believe they only got together in 2009. Doing so well. This is their latest song. It's called Taking Me Over on Capital Manchester. She puts her hands in mine. I feel her shaking. I look into her eyes and I tell her that it's gonna be alright. And I'm never ever gonna make you cry. I'll fix your broken heart. I'll make you beat again. I'll never let you down. On me you can depend.
Ben Mundy's there.
As expected, the queues here are building with a series of cones to negotiate before entering the Silverstone car parks. Once in, vehicles are being parked bumper to bumper. Officials say that's to maximise capacity. Drivers are being told an exit plan will be announced later over the tannoys. Yesterday, thousands of ticket holders were told to stay away because the car parks were waterlogged.
Britain has promised it will pay part of the £10 billion of aid to Afghanistan over the next 5 years. The non-military aid has been promised to cover the pull-out of international troops from 2014. Newsbeat. On the track at Silverstone, Fernando Alonso will be on pole for today's race. Lewis Hamilton starts in 8th, Jenson Button in 16th. In the last half hour, it's been announced that Ryan Giggs will captain Team GB at the Olympics. The 38-year-old is one of 3 overage players selected in Stuart Pearce's 18-man squad. And head to the Newsbeat website to check out what's been happening at a very muddy Tea in the Park. There's reviews of last night's headline sets from David Guetta and the Stone Roses. Plus you can check out our video of people struggling through the mud. Just type Newsbeat into your search engine. There's more news at 12:30.
Thanks very much, Greg. We are going to go live over to Tea in the Park very soon, actually, to chat to Mr. Ben Howard. He is our pop star in a poncho today. Marina and the Diamonds on the way for you. We'll obviously be playing some Ben Howard as well.
Pendulum maybe could be nice, and Body Fat.
Weekends on BBC Radio 1
are on the way. Prepare to be astounded and wowed in our amazing and possibly untrue Body Fat.
Somebody ran away saying fast as I can. I got to go. Once upon a time we fell apart. You're holding in your hands the 2 halves in my heart.
Once upon a time we
on BBC Radio 1.
All day, all night, all day, all night, all day, all night, all night. What the... When I came to Spain and I saw people partying, I thought to myself, what the... All day, all night, all day, all night, all night, all night. Viva la fiesta, viva la noche, viva los DJs. I couldn't believe what I was living, so I called my friend Johnny, and I said to him, Johnny, la gente está muy loca. What the... to Spain and I saw people partying, I thought to myself, what the... All day, all night, all day, all night, all night, all night. Viva la fiesta, viva la noche, viva los DJs. What the... Viva la fiesta, viva la fiesta, viva la, viva la, viva la, viva la, viva la, viva la, viva la. I couldn't believe what I was living, so I called my friend Johnny, and I said to him, Johnny, la gente está muy loca. What the...
Thanks very much, Andy in North Allerton. You started something with your theory that if you... I still think his mum gave him a piece of string to play with as a child. But if you wrap a piece of string around your head 3 times, then that is the same measurement as your